everybody. I hope you're stuck on there because yeah, this camera is crazy. So I'm filming on my phone, so this is just what I got. So this is what I'm basically working on. I want to do a question a day for the next week, and this is gonna be uploaded today. And I just want to answer some kind of what are those kind of the struggle questions or the hard questions that people want to ask about school. Um, I want to talk about math and basically how to succeed in math. Um, I haven't been the best at math, but I do know from my struggles that math is basically about working on problems. Anytime I've ever had difficulty in math, the one thing that has always been my go-to is to just work on a whole bunch of problems. Now that is both the simplest answer and kind of like a no-brainer because it's a difficult the most difficult part of it as well. How do you do the problems if every problem is difficult for you? How do you start when working on a problem basically means that you're having difficulty because you don't really understand it? So I would say also to use your resources. Your professor is usually going to give you a textbook that they want you to read, and this textbook is supposed to help you understand the math problems. The problem is you really don't understand the textbook, you really don't understand your professor because they talk a mile a minute, but it seems like they're not saying anything that's like English to you because you really don't understand it. So how exactly do you get to the point where you can work on the problems with no assistance? One, you want to probably start a group with your fellow students if this is something that interests you. It helps both of you guys brainstorm, or however many people are going to be in your group, to try to solve these problems and to try to kind of use different methods to come up with solutions. Also, you might want to go on YouTube and watch videos of other people talking about these very same math problems, because when you watch more videos, you're getting more information on how to solve them, creative ways of breaking down a problem. So that is going to be like kind of your second version of, I guess, source of resource. Another thing is to, of course, go to the tutor and have them help you, but only after you've done everything in your power to try to solve the problem. So have what you've started so that the tutor knows where your weaknesses are, and ask questions so that it can help you in the future. Make sure you understand how to go through the problems, to understand what your weaknesses were so that you can work on those problems over and over again until you no longer have those existing weaknesses. So that's basically it for this video. If you really want to do well in math, you just have to work on tons of problems or enough problems so that you understand how to solve the problem sets that are thrown your way. All right, and I'll be here tomorrow with another question.